Hello everyone, I am Adesh, student in KCS Kasnagar College of Arts and Science, studying BCom second year A section. Today we are all going to see one important topic in indirect taxation subject, that is custom duties. The custom duty is a indirect tax levied by central government on the transactions occurred on international borders. That means when the goods are imported from foreign country or when the goods are exported from our country to foreign country, the central government levied tax on duties. That duties is called custom duties. Custom duties was first stayed in Kautilya's Arthashastra. After that, Customs Act was passed in Parliament in the year 1962. Custom Act is based on Custom Tariff Act. It was passed in the year 1975. It was replacement of Indian Tariff Act 1934. Okay, now we move on to a levy of custom duties. The levy of custom duty is based on goods or not based on persons. The taxable event will occur on when the import or export any products. Imports. We all are very well known what is imports. Imports means goods imported from foreign countries. The taxable event occurred in imports while goods crossed the territorial water of India. When the goods crossed the territorial water of India, the taxable event is occurred. In case of exports, it commences on when we file the shipping bill of exchange on customs authorities or central government. It is completed on when across the territorial water of India. Now we see about who is the person in charge for paying tax. In case of vessels, who is the master of vessels should pay the custom duty when export or import any products. In case of aircraft, commander or pilot of aircraft pay the customs. In case of train, conductor, guard or chief director of a train can pay the customs. Now we are going to see what are the powers in custom duties. Indian custom officers has power to arrest any persons, that is resident, non-residents and foreigners, etc., who has committed punishable offence. Power to stop any vehicle, animals or vessels within the border of territorial water. If any person has theft some documents, the custom officers has power to search a person. Okay, now we go with types of custom duties. First one is basic custom duty. In basic custom duty, the basic rate is 10%. It is divided into two types, standard rate and preferential rate. In preferential rate means the rate of tax is given as preference. In some cases it will be higher, in some cases it will be lower. Next one is additional custom duty or countervailing duty. It is imposed when articles manufactured and imported within the state when the countervailing duty is imposed. Alcoholic liquid, stainless steel for households are the example for the countervailing duty. Next one is productive duty. The duty is imposed to protect the domestic industry products. In this productive duty, rate will be recommended by tariff commissioners. Next one is anti-dumping duty. Some foreign exporters dump their goods in other countries at unrealistic low prices. This strategy gives foreign producers as unfair advantage in their country market and harm the competitiveness of domestic producer. US law authorities and US government take action against this kind of harmful trade to ensure a level of playing field for US industries. Next one is safeguard duty. In safeguard duty, they imposed high custom duty because, for example, in India itself we will be having toothpaste, but some persons imported the toothpaste on other foreign countries, so the Indian economy will be decreased automatically. That's why the safeguard duty is imposed by government. Okay, I think you are all understand the custom duties concept. Thank you for being patient and listening my video. Have a nice day.